Hi everyone, welcome back with the third regular puzzle, Killer Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Friday, January the 26th, 2024. And we have already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. There are more puzzles in this newspaper because we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And news of today, well, told you earlier, the Olympic Games. The Olympic Games in half year, it will be held in Paris. Yeah, Paris. The Eiffel Tower. This is the Eiffel Tower. Yeah. In France. Alright. Killer Sudoku. Number. This will be number 7876. And we have here two given numbers. Given number 9 in this triple box of 22. That means that those two boxes together should be 13. 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. Here, the given number 5 in this triple box of 14. That means that those two boxes together should be 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my average time. And if I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright. Alright. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 2 sharing boxes. This one is complete. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Alright, let me continue. This big square has 1, 2 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2. This one is complete. Alright, so these two boxes, big squares, I can start. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, now 14 plus 5 is 19. 13 plus 8 is 21. Plus 19 is 40. So 45 minus 40. 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 14, the combination here will be 5 plus 9. Okay, now this big square has 1 sharing box. Okay, let me go to this one. Right, 17 plus 4 is 21 plus 9 is 30. 30 plus 8 is 38. That means 45 minus 38 is a 7 here. In the box of 15, the combination will be 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Now, this big square has 1 sharing box. Okay. Here also, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 10, 20. Double 19, 18. 18 plus 20 is 38. 38, that means 45 minus 38 is 7. 45 minus 38, yes. In the box of 8, the combination here will be 7 plus 1. Let's go to this big square. 12 plus 8 is 20. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Alright, let me see now. Okay, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 place level 9 should be here, or there. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 5. Should be here. In the box of 13, combination will be 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. Here, no. Here we have a box of 3, only one combination for the box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Here, 14, 11, 13, 7, no. Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. The box of 3, box of 4, correction. Only one combination, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, okay. The box of 17, only one combination, 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. And we have a box of 4, combination 3 and a 1. So now we have a box of 9 and a box of 8. If I place one of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. If I place it in the box of 9, then the combination will be 2 plus 7. Well, the 7 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 2 in the box of 9. Should be in the box of 8. Combination 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left of the 5 should be here or there. If I place the 5 in the box of 8, then the combination will be 5 plus 3. The 3 is already used in this big square. So it can be here, the 5. The 5 should be there. In the box of 14, combination will be 5 plus 9. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 place left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 9 here because we already have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. So the 9 should be in the box of 13. Combination 9 and a 4, 9 and a 4. Okay, so 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. Well, cannot place the 1 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 1 should be here. 1, 2, and a 3 is missing here. Okay, in the box of 11, combination will be 3 plus 8. Here in the box of 8, the combination here will be 1 plus 7. Alright, so we have a 7 in this column, last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left of the 7 goes in the box of 14, triple box of 14. These 2 boxes together should be a 9, so 7 plus 2. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, so no 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So 2 numbers left in this big square. So 1 is missing, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this column. For number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So now 2 numbers are left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Well, I cannot place the 5 here because we already have a 5 here in this column. So no 5 there. So the 5 should be here. And the 6 is missing here in the first row. So the 6 should be definitely here. In the box of 14, combination will be 6 plus 8. Okay, now we have 2 boxes left in this big square. The box of 8 and the box of 5. One of the missing number is a 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 5. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 4. The 4 is already used in this big square. So the 1 should be in the box of 8. Combination 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, and now 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left. The 7 goes in the box of 11. Combination 7 and a 4. 7 and a 4. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, then 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 14. Otherwise, combination will be 4 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 4 should be here or there. Alright, and now, let me think. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 1 plus 5. Well, the 1 and the 5 is already used. And the other combination should be 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 now in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the third row for the master. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Well, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 14. Otherwise, combination will be 3 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. 3 should be here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. In the box of 14, combination will be 8 plus 6. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 3 plus 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the master. 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. Alright, and now. Well. We have an 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left. The 8 should be here or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 3. The 3 is already used in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So the 8 should be in the box of 14. Combination 8 and a 6. 8 and a 6. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 7 and a 9 should be here, okay. Then 2 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then. Let me think. Need a 7 here. Okay. Need a 9 here. How about? Come on. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. And a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay. So now we have a box of 10 and a box of 9. One of the missing number is a 2 in this big square. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 9, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 7. The 7 is already used in this big square. So the 2 should be in the box of 10. Combination 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 1. We have a 3 now in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the second column for the 1. The 2 is missing. In the box of 8, the combination here will be 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5 and a 3, 5 and a 9. Okay. Alright. 3 and a 1. Well. We have here 4 and a 6. We have a 6 already here in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. In the box of 8, the combination here will be 5 plus 3. In the box of 14, the combination here will be 9 plus 5. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column now. Oh, no. We already have a 5 here. Almost made a mistake. 1 box left in this row. We have a 3 and a 1. We already have 3 here in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between. Only 2 places left for the 1. Goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and the 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1. 2 is missing. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left, the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 1, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. I'm pleased with the time because I've told you I need 20 to 30 minutes for solving a killer Sudoku. Well, should be a 2 stars then. Yeah. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.